I'm Dr. Philip Shallow. I'm an upper cervical doctor. It's my job to restore the communication system between the brain and the body.
I had had fibromyalgia for about 15 years. He got rid of it.
Well, my life before Magic Fingers was not good. My life now is good. I can't even tell you how much better I feel.
After the adjustments, I started feeling better. I started getting better color.
I was on painkillers, walked around like a zombie. I had diabetes, congestive heart failure, optic neuritis, in which I lost sight in my right eye. Everything was gray and white. I have color vision back. My mind is so much clearer. I enjoy life. I feel bursts of energy, which I haven't felt since I was young. It's wonderful.
It gives you quality of life, so we're very thankful for that.